In the next 30 to 60 seconds on Financialism, you're gonna learn what an index fund is, or index investing.
Okay.
This is you right now. I got $200 saved up. I'm gonna splurge. I'm gonna spend my money for fun. But you're not a typical consumer. If you spend money, you make sure you profit off of it.
Excellent.
I got these $200 at the end of the month. Instead of asking the doctor why my accent keeps changing, I'm gonna buy some stocks. But what stocks should I pick? Should I get some Netflix? Stop right there. What if I told you for less than $50, you could get all of them in one place? One index fund.
Shut up and take my money!
So you avoid all the risk of owning one company, spread it out across 500 of the top companies, and you get a profit off of all of your friends' spending.
Hell yeah!
On average, your money is going to double approximately every 10 years.
Hell yeah!
I don't know about that, Mr. Financialism. I think I'm gonna go to a professional and have them decide for me.
I know more than you.
Most professional investors lose to indexing. So right now you're looking at Charles Schwab's index fund, which tracks the top 500 companies in the United States. In the link below, I'm gonna drop a brokerage so you can make a brokerage account with Charles Schwab if you choose to.
And unlike most YouTubers, I don't profit off of this at all. I don't get any referral bonus or anything.
Mr. Financialism, you've been so kind in helping and explaining all this for me in such a short and concise manner. How could I ever repay you? By leaving a simple like and maybe your thoughts in the comments below, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the bell notification.
Hell yeah!
That's all I ask for.